What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Shimano XT rotors. Don't be deceived by the picture of the two rotors. There's only one in each box. So we're going to unbox them and also weigh them. So let's get into it. Just for reference, these are the SMRT86s. They are also 180 millimeters. So let's unbox them. There's one. And then here's the second. So we're going to take these out and then weigh them. So these are 180 millimeter rotors. Went with the XT to pair with the SLX 4-piston brakes. Pretty decent rotors. Let's see how much they weigh. So for a singular one, 132 grams, and should be double for both of them. Comes in at 265 grams for both of them. So yeah, you're not going to be able to shave too much weight for rotors. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, show you these, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.